So I have Michael in from what, the Dallas, Texas area?
Yeah, DFW.
And you were here since Friday. You attended and completed with flying colors the Details R Certified Detailer Licensee Training Program. What'd you think of the program this weekend, Michael?
It was amazing. It was a lot more than I expected. Everything was great, and
Thank you.
it was definitely worth the flight here from Texas. And
Well, you've already started your detailing business. What kind of part time, huh?
yeah,
So, do you think what you learned this weekend, all the skills that you gathered and executed, do you think you'll be able to go back and help grow this business now exponentially?
yeah, hands down, yeah.
Excellent. What was the best part of the training for you?
Definitely the business day and the ceramic coating and the paint correction.
It's because you didn't offer that before,
No, we
so
definitely.
now you'll be able to.
Yeah, now I'll be able to.
Excellent, man. Well, you did a great job. You made this Jeep look amazing. Ceramic coated it, detailed the interior, did some coating on the interior, probably increased the value by about 5,000. So now you are Details R in Jade Ceramic Coating certified. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you.